We're here with Tivoli captains and today's man of the match, Pennycooke. Speak to us about your performance today.
Well, it was a decent performance, coming out as a captain. I wanted to hold it because we haven't been getting any points, so I wanted to even get a draw or a win and a draw. I'm proud of that.
Alright, today you'd have to pull out the heroics on few occasions in order to get this draw. Speak to us about your individual performance today.
As I said, I think it's very decent. You have to push yourself that the team follow you, so you have to lead as example.
You definitely demonstrate your leadership abilities today, always talking, always directing your troops. Speak to us about Pennycooke as a leader of this Tivoli Gardens team.
I'm just stepping in. I'm a leader right around the way I act, the way I move. So I think that is a positive thing. If I move positive, and I always do, everyone will follow and the team will go on forward better.
Rocky season for Tivoli to this point. What does this point mean to you guys, and what can we expect from Tivoli after this result?
I guess this is a holding point going forward. So I would want to try gain more points. A draw is better than a loss. So we want to get more points going forward.
Alright, and about today's game, where do you think your team could have improved today?
I think we could improve on finishing our chances or creating more chances going forward.
Once again, congrats on good game.
Thanks.